Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you a new chapter, matrices. As you know, last time we had finished inverse trigonometric functions, and last time we had solved some problems from miscellaneous exercise based on inverse trigonometric function. See, matrices is a very important chapter in mathematics, and it's used in different branch of science, commerce, obviously in mathematics also. Students, in class 10th you have solved system of linear equations in two variables by using different methods: graphical method, elimination method, cross multiplication method, substitution method. Matrices, by matrix method we can also solve the system of linear equation in two variables. It also solved by using matrix method system of linear equations having three or more variables. Okay, in this chapter, matrices, we will solve the system of linear equations by using matrix method having three or more variables. So it's very important to read about matrices. See, what is the matrix? I have written here the definition of matrix. It is ordered rectangular arrangement of numbers or functions. Rectangular arrangement of numbers. Numbers may be real numbers or complex numbers. In class 11th you have read about the complex numbers also. And functions may be algebraic function, trigonometric function, exponential function, whatever the functions. See, I have written here some examples. You can see this is a matrix, all these are matrices, and it contains the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. These are real numbers, these are complex numbers, these are functions, and these are rectangular arrangement. It will be keep in such type of bracket. Okay, and matrix is always represented by capital letter of English alphabet, A, B, C, like this. Okay, so first of all, I advise you to note this. See, consider a question anywhere. It is given that marks obtained by Ram in mathematics in final examination out of 100, 80 marks. So when we write this in this form, okay, so it is obvious that inside the bracket this represent the marks obtained by Ram in mathematics in final examination. If someone asked you that write the marks scored by Ram in half yearly and annual both, which is out of 100, suppose Ram got 75 marks in half yearly exam and 80 marks in annual exam. So that is also an arrangement of numbers, and it is obvious that inside the bracket, the first entry is the marks obtained by Ram in half yearly, and second entry of this bracket is the marks obtained by Ram in final examination. Okay, if someone asked you that write down the marks obtained by Ram in mathematics as well as physics of half yearly and annual exam, so we can write this in this form. See, that is 75 marks obtained by Ram in half yearly, 75, 80, and these are the marks obtained by Ram in half yearly and annual of mathematics, and 65 in physics half yearly, and 85 in physics in annual exams. So there are several examples I had given you which is used to form a matrix. You can also see there are several questions comes in our knowledge which is convert into the matrices. Okay, so simply you understand this, that what is the matrix? It is arrangement, that is also known as array of numbers or functions. And which type of arrangement? Rectangular arrangement. Okay, and there are some examples I have given you. See, this one and this one, these entries, horizontal line entries, that is called rows. This is row. Okay, and vertical line entries, that is called column. So this one is first row, this one is second row, that is also represented by R1, this is R2, and this is represented by C1, C2, C3. Got it? This one is R1, R2, R3, that is C1, C2. So this matrix have 2 rows, 3 columns. This matrix have 3 rows, 2 columns. And these are called entries of the matrices, are elements of the matrix. Okay, you can see this one, first row, that is second row, and that is first column, that is second column. So in this matrix represented by capital C has 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, so in any matrix there are several number of rows and several number of columns. In this matrix there are 2 rows, horizontal line entries, horizontal line elements are called rows, elements of the rows, and vertical line entries or vertical line elements are called elements of column of particular matrix. Okay, now order of matrix, that is very important for you. What is the order of matrix? See, any matrix have a particular order, and that is defined as row by column. Row by column means order of this matrix, how many rows there? 2 rows. And how many columns? 3 columns. Row by column. So this is represented by 2 by 3. Row by column. 2 into 3 लिखा जाता है और पढ़ा कैसे जाता है? 2 by 3. So इस मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर क्या है? 2 rows हैं, 3 columns हैं, 2 by 3. What is the order of this matrix? Matrix B. How many rows? Sorry.